Hey, this is Lewis from Oxygen, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a cool sort of pre-footer icon list. So here we're at churnbuster.io. They're using this to show a few bullet points above their footer. Here on WooCommerce.com, they've got another one to show a few bullet points above their footer. So let's go ahead and design something similar to those in Oxygen. So to start, I'm just going to go ahead and add a couple of pre-built components so we have somewhere to actually put those icon lists. So I'll toss in a footer and then I will toss in just some section that might show up on the page before the footer. We'll just say this chart and text right here. All right, let's reorder this, and then below the chart we want to put in a section, and that's where our sort of icon bullet points are going to go. Okay, here's our section. So let's go ahead and make this section sort of a similar color to the footer, but maybe a little bit lighter. So I'm just going to go to the footer, copy the color, go to the section, paste the background color in, and then we're just going to move it towards white, a little bit lighter. Okay, that looks pretty good right there. Now let's go ahead and design the icon and text label. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add a div. I'm going to call this icon feature third, because there are going to be 3 of these. I'm going to float it left. The width is going to be 33.33%. And then we'll put the icon and text in here. So go ahead and add an icon, and we'll call this feature third icon, and then we'll add a text block and call this feature third text. Okay, so we're definitely going to want some padding on the div block on the icon feature third, so we'll go back to that and let's try 40 pixels of padding on all sides. Okay, that looks all right. Then let's go to the icon. Let's make the icon a little bit bigger and white. So we'll go white and say 48 pixels. It's pretty good. And we're going to set this to float left so the text displays to the right of it. Let's add some, let's turn the text white so we can see what we're doing. We'll add some space to the right of the icon. And then let's make this text, let's say, no, 48 is well too big. As we go with a little smaller so we could write more. And then center it vertically. Okay, we'll go like this, and then we'll just add some top margin to move it down centered with the icon. Okay. Okay, now let's just duplicate this twice and go ahead and change the text. So we'll make this first one world-class support. So how about a person or a user? World-class support. This is going to be secure ordering. So we'll go secure. And the last one is going to be 30-day money-back guarantee. Okay, there we go. Very simple pre-footer icons. And to make these look a little better, I'm just going to, since it's white text on a dark background, I'm going to go to the section and I'm going to set the font smoothing to anti-aliased, and that'll make it thin out the fonts and make it look a little better. Okay, there we go. That's how to very quickly design sort of an icon benefit bar above your footer. Convey some useful information to your website's visitors. Okay, thank you for watching. Okay, welcome to part 2 of the video where I'll show you how to make these responsive. So they look good at full width, but if we go down to less than 992, you see this text goes multi-line. And then less than 768, it just gets sloppy. So let's say for less than 992, we're going to have the icon display above the text. The way we're going to do that is go to the icon, and before we set it to float left, now we're just going to set it to float none. And now since these are both blocks, they'll display stacked on top of each other. Now we're going to make this, we're going to go to the feature third section actually and center everything in it. That's going to center the text because the text is a block and it's full width. But it won't center the icon. To center the icon, we need to make the icon an inline block. So now the icon is centered down to less than 992. For less than 768, looks okay. And then less than 480, it's very cramped, so we should stack these vertically. I'd say less than 768, we'll stack these vertically. So we'll go to less than 768, media query, go to the icon feature third, and instead of having it 33% width, we'll just go to 100% width. And now these stack vertically. So that's going to look good. 480, 768, 992, and full width. Okay, there you go. Now you got it responsive. Very easy. Thank you for watching.